Oh, take a look at this guy there. He's freaking me out. I'm looking at this little birdie that fell because they caught the tree, but I need to get out of here. I needed to get out of there because that bee is totally freaking me out, whatever that is. Wow. She goes inside and then comes back out. What the hell? There, that bee thing went away, but here's our little friend. Look at him. We're kind of hoping that his mother comes back to feed him, because you see they trimmed this stupid tree and the nest fell, and we rescued the little chick here on our backyard in the morning. It's pretty lively. Where are you going? And we wonder, we have no idea what species he is. Maybe some sort of crow. I don't think he's a sparrow, and I don't know, and I don't think he's a pigeon. But look how lively he is. What the hell? Today is Wednesday, July 8th, 2015. Gabby tried to give him a little water. I want to get out of here because it looks like I'm freaking him out. So that's where he's at. They trimmed that tree and his nest fell right outside our door, right here. We picked him up. Let's see what happens.